What's up guys, this is Soft Asia Tech. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can add image tilt effect like this in your WordPress page or blog using WP Bakery, Page Builder and VC Kit for WP Bakery additional plugin. To add it, first you need to log in to the dashboard. Now once you successfully logged into your site, now we will add a plugin called VC add-ons for WP Bakery. For this, hover our plugins and click on add new plugin. Now go to upload plugins, choose file. Here's Visual Composer Kit, shortly known as VC Kit plugin. Double click to choose file. This plugin was a premier plugin. I have pasted link in description, you can download it from there. Now click on install now button. Here you can see installing was started. Wait until installing. Now click on activate plugin. Now you have successfully activated the plugin. Go back to dashboard. Before proceeding further, please like this video, comment if you have any suggestion, and subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification about future updates. Now go to post and click on add new. Add post title and publish the post. After publishing, click on WP Bakery Page Builder button. And then click on Backend Editor. Now click on this Add Element button. Go to Kit Add-ons and add Image Tilt widget. Now here you have to change image ratio. I leave default. Now here you have 10 different styles. I am selecting style 4. Add image from your media library. I'll add this one. Click on set image. Now scroll down. Here you can add some visible when overflow. Leave them just now. Save changes and make this column to 1/4 plus 1/2 plus 1/4. Now drag this widget into central column. Now preview the changes. You can see your image added. Now when you hover over it, it will look like this. Now we will change this tilt animation. For this, go back to editor, edit the widget, scroll down. Here you have style section. Select any of style from these 10 styles. I am selecting style 7. Save changes and review the changes. Now hover over the image. Now hover over the image. It will look like this. The vibrating animation, and it will look like 4 images. That's how you can add image tilt widget, image tilt animation in your WordPress blog and page using WP Bakery and VC Kit for WP Bakery additional plugin. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.